Hello everyone, welcome here. Getting started. Myself Sekhar Metla, I am the software industry expert from past 2 decades. I have worked with a different type of analytical and real world data transactionals of coding and development. We have seen many of the reports. So applying all these expertise and preparing a great course in Excel for beginners and Excel professionals. Let's see here. Introduction. Welcome here. Use this online tutorial to speed up and slow down video to complete the program. Learn at any time from anywhere using internet connected mobile or computer system. Make sure to use practical exercises for your great experience. How to get help. Check your knowledge using documents. For instance, quick help, Google or Stack Overflow search engine techniques you need to apply. Submit your questions on asking QA forum for detailed what you have tried with a screenshot of error or code practiced or formulas you practiced by yourself. How to approach the course? The best way to approach the course is to review videos with your practical hands-on sessions by writing formulas and along with your data and making more functionality. Follow the video guide with the extra notebook information for practice. Every lecture you need to practice by your independent by practicing how the video lecture is presented you, and make sure to prepare your more real world problem statements as well. Review certain information by reading examples on part of video sessions. So pause the video wherever you require and take the notes and practice yourself. Excel exercise and a solution. You will be assigned a simple Excel exercise for our course training journey to test your skill level based on your previous lectures mostly. You will be learn the solution for this Excel exercise anyhow we will provide you. So I hope it's a super easy and helpful lecture like a course for you. I'll see you inside the course. Thanking you.